evening, sir, and good evening, everybody. My name is Pooja Amrita, and today I am very excited and happy to share my thought about my best friend. So, my best friend is Saloni. She is a combination of beauty with brain, and she is smart also. We met in a college, and now we are best friends. I know her inside out, and we are like-minded, and we are expend our lots of time together, and she loves shopping, and the shopping is only things which make her happy, and now she is working hard for campus for placement, and I am very happy that she is my best friend. Thank you, sir.
वाह, वेरी गुड। ये था ना कुछ। अब देखो, कर दिया ना बच्ची ने। उसने वो सारी चीजें यूज कर ली जो मैंने पढ़ाई थी। वेरी गुड पूजा, वेरी गुड। आज का आज की कंपटीशन की
Thank
विनर
you,
आप।
sir.